Welcome to our third annual Broken Sound in Review. This year we accomplished a lot. We really have a lot to be proud of and a lot to look at. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Our new pool deck commenced construction in May of 2012. It was a long task, but we promised you, our members, delivery by Thanksgiving. Could have made a lot of money had I taken some bets on that. However, came Thanksgiving Day, pool bistro and pool deck opened to probably the best results and response we've ever had from the membership. You have supported everything we have done in this area far greater than we ever anticipated. During Christmas week, over 600 lunches a day were served, a mind-boggling number. Children enjoyed it, parents enjoyed it, grandparents enjoyed it. We only hope that you continue its use at the same pace for many, many more years to come. Simultaneously to the opening of construction on the pool deck, our new spa started construction also, now named the Moonstone Spa. When people commended us on the pool deck, our response to them was, wait until you see the spa. And now that you guys have seen it, the results and comments we've gotten back prove we were right. It is absolutely magnificent. Construction on this one took a lot longer because of the details, but as in all good things, they're worth waiting for. Our members love our parties. Member was a great success, or should I call it hippie versus hippie? New Year's Eve was tremendous. Over 1,000 of our members attended one of 3 different parties. Fireworks galore. Happy New Year to everyone. We are a very diverse community, and we love our children, or grandchildren, or children's children, whatever it may be, and activities galore abound for all of them. Let's start with Spa Day for all the girls. Did they have fun? Our basketball program is a huge success for both boys and girls. Is the next LeBron James here? Our tennis program with 150 kids and our golf clinic with over 75 are huge successes. Our annual carnival goes greater every year. This year including zip lining, rock climbing, various games, all kinds of activities. Over 400 kids had an incredible time. And of course, Santa always visits Broken Sound. The PGA's Champions Tour celebrated 7th consecutive year at Broken Sound's old course, with millions of viewers worldwide. The ladies and men's member guests are probably the most popular sport activity. This year we had to increase it to 2 days each for both men and women. Over 500 golfers participated in this great event, and boy did they have a great time. Tennis programs are second to none. This year, we achieved success in 6 championship titles, a record for Broken Sound, and we hope to do even better next year. Of course, there are always special programs for all. The women's fashion show is always a big hit. Our art show has been continuous for 20 years. Of course, we love our pets. Charities and Broken Sound play an important role in all of our members' lives. The Jewish choir from West Point, Hadassah, and of course the great program we did for the Golf for America's Bravest. We've raised almost $500,000 this year. Be proud of yourselves. As you can see, it's been quite a year, and we have a lot to look forward to in the future and enjoying all the physical plant that we have right now. Broken Sound is the equivalent to or superior than any other country club in Palm Beach County. We have achieved a financial, strategic, and long-range plan that is second to none, and we should all be proud of ourselves. Let's all now sit back, relax, enjoy everything that we have, and be thankful that we live in this wonderful community with such wonderful people.